Hi, Nick here with MedTech World. With me is Sanjay Shrivastava, and he is with Innova Vascular. What are you doing at the moment here today? You've been talking on two panels.
Yeah, I was on a panel discussion earlier about where MedTech CEOs were at a panel discussion talking about their experiences. I was at a panel discussion yesterday as well, and I'm giving a talk tomorrow on my company.
Right, and a lot of people are looking at you as the guy who's, in the big corporation working with large corporate, and then the move down to the startup, the bootstraps build.
Yeah, that's right. For 20 years, I worked for large strategic firms like Medtronic, Johnson & Johnson, Abbott Vascular, always in cardiovascular field. And then I jumped on the entrepreneurship bandwagon, and this is my second startup company. The first one that we founded exited to a company called Certex Medical earlier this year, and Innova Vascular became operational about two years ago or so, and we got the FDA clearance this year on 2 product lines. We're developing products to treat pulmonary embolism and deep vein thrombosis. So venous thromboembolism, to remove clot from veins in a minimally invasive manner without doing open surgery.
And what exact stage did you say you're at? The products are ready?
We are about to start commercialization.
Commercialization.
Yeah.
How exciting is that, and how do you plan for that?
Absolutely. It's a very, very exciting part of the evolution of a company that we have the clearance and we're ready to sell. Now we are talking to strategic partner to commercialize the product. And we also have a plan B of our own building a small sales team. I've done that in the past. We built a business at Medtronic from scratch to about to a good size market, where we hired 24 sales reps in the US and built a sales team, trained them on the product line, and delivered a performance and growth year over year for about 6 years.
I'm assuming that whilst you're obviously going to focus on the US market first, that you put things down the line for the pipeline so that there will be approvals in Europe and beyond.
Definitely. We first got the US FDA clearance, so that's where we're going to start marketing. But other markets are on the horizon as well. Japan's very attractive, Europe, of course, and China and many other markets, Australia, many other markets around the world are interesting as well.
Right, and what about, I guess, differentiation with products that may offer or claim to offer similar benefits?
Yeah, so there are 2 other companies that have product that does remove clot from these parts of the body, and we have developed product to have a meaningful and clear differentiation over those 2 products, and that's what we're going to demonstrate through commercial use of the product, as well as we plan to do a clinical study as well, 107 patient study that we are about to embark on.
It's such a long, successful career. What's, I guess, are there ideas in the pipeline for after all this, Doctor, or?
Yeah, there are, and I don't know if it's appropriate to discuss those in a public forum, but yes, there's always more work to do. There are still many patients around the world that are not being treated, so there's markets to grow, there's new products to develop, there's accessories to develop, there's products to enhance and embellish, so there's a ton of work to do.
Right. And being here today, what's your thoughts so far at the event?
I have loved the event. In fact, it has exceeded my expectations in many ways. It's nice to see the government of Malta pay attention to this industry and put a lot of focus on it. It was great to have the Prime Minister of Malta at our event this morning. The networking opportunities and just the mingling that I have been doing since yesterday has been phenomenal for me personally and enjoyable. And many people have come to me and complimented me for the same, and have wanted to communicate and connect beyond this as well. So I look forward to building some of the relationships out of the contacts that I had here with people on an ongoing basis as well.
Great. Doctor, I hope you and Innova Vascular get exactly what they want from the event. Thank you.
Thank you very much. It's been enjoyable.